This is the brief on the Lexus LFA BEV concept. It's the resurrection of a legendary supercar nameplate, completely reimagined for the electric age. This all-electric sports car study, previously showcased as the Lexus Sport Concept, is a direct team-up between Lexus and Toyota GAZOO Racing. Second, we've got a look at its race car foundation. This concept was developed alongside the GR-GT and GR-GT3 race cars. In fact, it uses the exact lightweight, high-rigidity, all-aluminum frame straight from the GR-GT. Third, let's look at those exacting dimensions. Built for 2 occupants, it sits on a 2,725mm wheelbase. It's 4,690mm long, 2,040 wide, and just 1,195mm tall. Ultimately, the Lexus LFA BEV concept isn't just another luxury EV, but a true race-bred all-aluminum sports car built for pure, unadulterated performance. Just imagine the violent, silent thrill of launching this machine down an open track.